Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I will be creating this look. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alma and I create beauty looks like this one. If you like to see how I did it today, stay tuned and keep watching. And this is the palette I used today. It's by Colourpop Malibu Barbie. Yay! It's very pinky. Okay, let's get started on the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, so here we go. Welcome. And I already started putting on my foundation, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. And I'm using this sponge. I think this one's from L'Oreal. So I'm putting it on the sponge, and then I'm gonna dab it all over my face. I switched to the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. And for my primer today, I use this one by Wet n Wild Prime Focus. It's like a serum. It's working really well with me right now. I haven't seen any dry patches like the other time. Okay, today I'm gonna be using this Malibu Barbie by Colourpop. Okay, so I already primed my lid, and damn, I'm afraid to lift it up because it's kind of broken. It came like that when I got it. Like, this one is a little broken here. But yeah, these are the colors, and here we go. I'm gonna get this brush here, and I'm gonna go in with Make Waves. It's like a pale peach or something, this one right here. I'm gonna use that on my crease. Okay, so I got the brown color in the palette. It's called Zuma Beach. And I put it on the corner of my eye a little bit. Like that. And now I'm thinking I'm gonna get this fluffier brush. This is by Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna get this pink color. It's kind of scary. And I'm gonna place it on the outer corner and work my way towards the middle here. Like that. Like this. I'm gonna buff out this one. It's like a straight line here. Looks kind of weird. The hell, man? Why does it look like that? Oof. Okay, maybe if I blend in the pink more here, it'll erase. Okay. This is what we got so far. Now I'm gonna get a flatter brush like this. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. This is by MAC, but any flat brush will do. And we're gonna use the color, I don't know, I do want to make it like a pink, everything pink. So I'm gonna get this one, it's called Vintage Doll. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put on my eyebrows and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on. Mascara. Okay, so the lashes that I use today are these by Kiss, and they're called Shy. This one. And they're a little more subtle. That's why I picked them. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a concealer. That's if I could find. This one's by Maybelline. What is it, baby? Here, let me use this sponge. Oh wait. I have this one by Elf. I know it's kind of dirty. Damn, why do I look like that? This one. This is by Wet n Wild. Photo Focus Banana. So there's some on the lid already. I'm just gonna grab that. Hold on, let me make sure this is spread out. And then I'm gonna grab that, pat it onto my powder, onto my sponge and put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my eyes now. I'm gonna use this smudge brush by Elf, and I'm gonna grab some of that pink. It's called Best Coast. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it on the bottom of my eyes. Like that. And on the center of my eyes, I'm gonna get this little brush. This one's by Real Techniques and it's called Base Shadow Brush. But I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use this color called Cali Girl. It's really shimmery color. And I'm gonna place that in the center, the corner of my eye, like this. Ooh, looks good. like that. So that's done. Now I gotta put mascara. I'm using this one. It's by Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift, and I'm gonna use it for the bottom of the lashes here. Okay, I'm gonna use this Coastal Scents Contour and Blush Palette. Okay, because I'm gonna use this to contour. So I'm gonna grab my little brush here that I love.
No, honey. Honey.
Now I'm gonna get this Revolution palette. It's a blush palette and it has all these pretty colors in there. I'm gonna use this angled brush here, and I'm gonna use this probably, oh God, they're all really nice. I can't even decide. Maybe this one right here. It looks like a peach pink color. Which one did I pick? I don't even remember. Oh my God, short-term memory loss over here. I think I picked this. Okay, who cares? And then look at these shimmery colors. Can't wait to use those, I just don't know when. I'm already oily, and if I put those, I feel like it's gonna look really bad. We're almost done. I just need my lips. What do you guys think? And I get the Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. I don't even know what color. Medium plus. And I'm gonna take away some of that setting powder that I had placed earlier from under my eyes. Okay. Okay, Lily, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Secret blush by Maybelline. Okay, Lily. Okay, hold your horses. I found this. I should prepare myself before making a video, but anyways, I found the pair that goes with this palette, and this is, what color is it? Malibu Sunset Lippy Pencil. Okay, let me get a mirror. I'm gonna fill them in a little bit, only because when you do that, it helps it last longer. Wow, it actually looks really good. It looks better than that other color I picked. So just like that. Like that. Wow, look at that. Damn, that looks good. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with the lipstick. This one's called the same thing, Malibu Sunset. It's like a lip kit that comes when you order it. They both come in a box. So this color is really pretty too. See? Ooh. Okay, there it is. Let me just get a setting spray right here. This is my NYX matte finish. Oh my god, I'm running out. Oh, okay. And there it is, you guys. A very pink look today. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, and the people that haven't, you should. Okay, so hey, we're ready to party over here. Yeah, right, I gotta go run errands. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. See you on the next video.